Hey everyone, it's Tracy, and welcome to Swiftcbs Business Solutions, Texas real estate virtual assistants, where we're all about taking the stress out of real estate so you can focus on what you do best, closing deals. You know, in this business, it's all about the details. One misstep, one overlooked document, one missed deadline, it can all cost you time, money, and ultimately, the deal. That's why I'm sharing Swiftcbs' Ultimate Listing Checklist. This is the step-by-step system we use for our standard single listing to guarantee a smooth, efficient, and dare I say, even enjoyable experience for everyone involved. We traditionally start with photography. Glam it up. That means professionally enticing photography. We're talking high-quality, magazine-worthy shots that make buyers want to click and see more. Next up, we help secure a home warranty. This gives buyers peace of mind and adds value to the listing. Before anything goes live, we verify that all necessary documents have been received, from seller disclosures to listing agreements. This keeps your deal compliant and prevents backtracking later. Now for the main event, getting your listing live on the MLS. We handle all the details, from compelling descriptions to accurate data, so your listing shines. Got a virtual tour or open house? We'll make sure it's front and center on the MLS and all the major platforms. Gotta give those buyers every opportunity to fall in love. Time is money, people. That's why we use showing time to streamline scheduling and make it easy for buyers' agents to book showings. Remember, you're the boss. Nothing goes live without your approval. We just make sure everything's perfect and ready to go when you give the green light. Once the listing is live, we send a professional intro email to your seller, keeping them in the loop every step of the way. Transparency is key. That's why we include a copy of the full MLS sheet in that intro email, so everyone has all the details at their fingertips. We make sure the listing is added to your system of record, whether it's a CRM, Google Drive, Dropbox, whatever works for you. First impressions matter. As an added service, we offer marketing services like brochures, flyers, and postcards. We design a stunning property brochure that showcases your listing's best features and wows potential buyers. Sometimes you just need a quick, impactful one-pager. We've got you covered with a professionally designed flyer that's perfect for open houses or handouts. Once your marketing materials are ready, we send them straight to you for approval and use. We also upload your brochure or flyer directly to the MLS listing itself, making it easy for buyer agents to access all the information they need in one place. We'll craft a killer just listed announcement and blast it across your social media channels, maximizing your reach and engagement. Zillow and Trulia are where a lot of buyers start their search. We'll make sure your listing is displaying perfectly on these platforms, catching every single eye. Realtor.com is another big player in the game. We'll give your listing the royal treatment on this platform, optimizing every detail to make it stand out from the crowd. Want to go old school and target the local market? We'll design eye-catching, just-listed postcards that'll have neighbors buzzing. Don't want to deal with the hassle of printing and mailing? No problem. We'll handle the entire process for you, so you can focus on what matters most: closing deals. We'll confirm all the details with you and the seller, ensuring a smooth and successful event. We'll create and promote one open house event on your social media channels, driving traffic and maximizing attendance. And hey, if you want to go all out with additional events, we're here for it. The market moves fast, and so do we. If you need to make any price changes or updates to the listing, we'll handle it swiftly and efficiently, keeping everyone informed. And that's it. That's Swiftcbs' Ultimate Listing Checklist. This system is how we ensure every listing we touch is a smashing success. Remember, in this business, the details matter. By following this checklist, you'll be one step ahead, ready to impress your clients and close those deals like a true pro. Need a listing coordinator to handle this for you? For a free consultation, call us now at 469-846-9459. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.